Imagine a tiny, unassuming fruit. Yet, it holds the secret to truly radiant skin. This remarkable secret has been cherished for centuries, passed down through generations, a natural wonder. What is this marvel of nature, you ask? It's the humble, yet powerful rose hip. A small fruit with an enormous reputation, ready to be rediscovered by you today. Ancient civilizations intuitively knew its profound power. From the wise Egyptians to the innovative Mayans, they regularly used rose hips for enhancing beauty and for their incredible natural healing properties. Modern science is now diligently catching up, validating these ancient practices with new research, confirming what wise cultures knew all along. Think of a vibrant, glistening red jewel growing gracefully on a wild rose bush, appearing after the beautiful, fragrant petals have fallen. That's precisely where you find the precious rose hip. It's a concentrated powerhouse of vital nutrients. So, what are these rose hips really? They are the distinct fruit of the rose plant. Specifically, they often come from the species, but other delightful varieties produce them too. They typically appear in the late summer months and continue to ripen beautifully through autumn, looking like small, alluring reddish-orange berries, often found in hedgerows and wilder gardens. You might have even seen them before, on wild rose bushes flourishing in your local area. Perhaps you even walked right past them unknowingly, not realizing the incredible treasure they truly hold. These unassuming fruits are absolutely packed with goodness. They are nature's little gift, frequently overlooked. Inside these small, potent fruits, you'll find seeds, and also some fine, somewhat stiff hairs. The fleshy, vibrant outer layer is the part that's most highly prized for its amazing benefits. It can be used effectively in many different forms, from nourishing oils to comforting teas to fine powders. Let's talk about a very key player. That player is the mighty vitamin A. Rose hips are an excellent natural source of this truly incredible skin-loving vitamin. Specifically, they contain beneficial carotenoids, like beta-carotene, which your body cleverly converts into what we know as retinol, a form of vitamin A. This is often a gentler, more natural form. Compared to some synthetic retinoid products, you've very likely heard of retinol before. It's quite famous in the world of skincare, primarily for its remarkable anti-aging effects. It significantly helps with healthy skin cell turnover, promoting fresh, vibrant, new skin cells to emerge. Rose hip offers this wonderful benefit naturally, supporting your skin's innate vitality and youthfulness. This valuable natural vitamin A content is a primary reason why rose hip oil is so prized. It actively helps to improve overall skin texture and can visibly reduce the unwelcome appearance of fine lines. Now, let's turn our attention to another superstar vitamin. This is vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid. Rose hips are absolutely bursting with it, truly. In fact, they are recognized as one of the richest plant sources of vitamin C available, containing far more than many common citrus fruits. This high concentration is a real game changer for your skin's health and your body's immunity. Why is this vitamin C so incredibly important? Well, it's an extremely powerful antioxidant agent. It actively fights off those harmful free radicals. These are unstable, nasty little molecules that can cause significant damage to your cells and, unfortunately, accelerate the natural aging process. Vitamin C acts as your body's protective shield, safeguarding your skin and body from daily harm, helping you maintain a youthful, healthy glow. Ascorbic acid also plays a truly vital role in the complex process of collagen synthesis. This directly translates to firmer, more elastic skin. Fabulous fats and tocopherols, essential nutrients for your skin. Rose hips aren't just about vitamins A and C, they also contain a wealth of essential fatty acids. Think of beneficial omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. These are the truly good fats for your body. Your skin absolutely loves them and thrives on them. They are incredibly crucial for maintaining a strong, healthy, and resilient skin barrier. This barrier protects you from external aggressors and helps to keep your skin properly hydrated. These vital fatty acids, such as linoleic acid and also alpha-linolenic acid, are key components. They help to deeply hydrate and moisturize your skin effectively from within its layers. They work diligently to lock in precious moisture, preventing uncomfortable dryness and annoying flakiness, leaving your skin feeling wonderfully soft and beautifully supple to the touch. Let's not forget about the important tocopherols. These are various beneficial forms of vitamin E, another potent antioxidant that is found in rose hips. Collagen connection, how rose hip supports youthful skin. We've mentioned that important protein, collagen, a few times. So, what's the real big deal about it? Collagen is the main structural protein, found abundantly in your skin, giving it form. It's the very thing that keeps it looking firm, feeling plump, and appearing wonderfully youthful. Think of it as the essential scaffolding that holds everything neatly and strongly together. Without it, skin loses its structure and vitality. As we gracefully age, our body's natural collagen production unfortunately starts to gradually decline each year. This natural decline often leads to sagging skin and the unwelcome formation of lines and wrinkles. But here's some really good news for you. The amazing rose hip can genuinely help. Its remarkably high vitamin C content, as we discussed, is absolutely essential for effective collagen synthesis. By actively stimulating your body's collagen production, rose hip helps you to maintain your skin's natural elasticity and its firmness. This directly means fewer visible wrinkles and a more vibrant, youthful overall appearance. Beyond beauty. Rose hips' impact on scars, stretch marks, and more. Rose hips' impressive benefits aren't just superficial. They actually go much deeper than the surface, helping to effectively heal and meticulously repair a variety of common skin imperfections we face. Let's start by talking about scars first. Whether they are from old acne, surgery, or an injury, these scars can sometimes affect our confidence. But rose hip oil can truly make a difference, offering hope for smoother, less noticeable marks. The unique and powerful combination of vitamin A, those essential fatty acids, and potent antioxidants all found within rose hip oil actively promote healthy skin regeneration at a deep cellular level. Tackling troublesome skin. Acne, dryness, and hyperpigmentation solutions. Let's now address some of those common skin woes. Acne, for instance, can be quite frustrating. While it might initially seem counterintuitive to apply an oil on already acne-prone skin, rose hip oil is often surprisingly beneficial. It's relatively lightweight in its texture and possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties that can effectively soothe red, irritated skin, reducing the discomfort associated with breakouts. The naturally occurring vitamin A within rose hip helps to properly regulate skin cell turnover. This crucial action prevents pores from getting clogged, which is widely known as a primary cause of acne. It can also significantly help over time to fade those lingering post-acne marks or scars, leading to a visibly clearer, smoother complexion. Embracing rose hip, a natural path to radiance. Educational note and call to action. As we've comprehensively seen throughout our discussion, the humble rose hip is, without a doubt, a true and precious gift from Mother Nature. It is absolutely packed with powerful, beneficial nutrients that offer a whole multitude of amazing benefits for your delicate skin and your overall well-being. From significantly boosting skin elasticity to fading old scars, its remarkable versatility is truly impressive indeed. It's a wonderfully simple, entirely natural ingredient. Please do remember, all the information shared today is provided for strictly educational purposes only. It is not by any means intended as medical advice. You should always consult with your healthcare provider or a qualified professional dermatologist first before making any significant changes at all to your existing skincare routine or health regimen. This is especially important if you have pre-existing conditions or if you are currently taking any medications. We sincerely encourage you to continue to explore the many wonders of rose hip even further.